Meaning of horseplay.
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 Horseplay. Horseplay is a term used to describe rough or boisterous play that is often playful but can also be dangerous, resulting in accidental injuries. It may involve pushing, shoving, tackling, wrestling, or other activities that can cause physical harm to individuals involved or innocent bystanders. Horseplay can happen at any age and in various settings, such as schools, playgrounds, and workplaces. Although horseplay can be entertaining, it can also lead to serious consequences, such as broken bones, concussions, and even death. Therefore, it's essential to know when to draw the line and avoid engaging in horseplay activities that may result in harm.